a journey and I am super grateful. I am super excited. We are at 800 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love. Hello guys, my name is Faith and this is Cookie's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget friendly account. And on our today's recipe, we are making bhajia. Right away, let's get started. Oops, subscribe. And to our ingredients, with me I have 4 cloves of garlic over here. I have grated them. I have some capsicum, green capsicum. I have some ginger. I've also grated them. I have my onions over here, then salt, coriander. I'll be using egg yellow. Then this is all-purpose flour, chapati, specifically ndovu. Then with me here I have my potatoes. I just wanted to show you how I am peeling them. So on to our next step. I have decided to use this because it's kind of big, so I'm just going to transfer them here. So this is a very easy recipe. The first thing, I'm just going to add everything in here, guys. My garlic, my ginger, my onions, my capsicum, my coriander, some pinch of salt, let's say this that way. Then we have flour over here. So this is cooking flour, ile tu ya chapati. So sorry, I forgot to have our color. Seke mingi, kidogo. Then my hands are clean, just mix them all in like this. Add in some little water to help you mix them nicely. So guys, my mixture is ready. As simple as that, you have your bhajia mix with you. And the next step, I'm just going to wash my hands and head over to the fire. So make sure your oil is heated. Normally I would say take a wooden stick, dip it in. When you see it doing like so, it's ready. So you can use a serving spoon to pour it in. So, and for our first one, there we go, slowly, and just spread them. And as simple as that, as budget friendly as that, you have your bhajia homemade at the comfort of your home, guys. You can as well add in other spices, but I prefer to use natural spices.